Hey folks, welcome back to this channel. My name is Ashok Joshi and in this video we will be discussing about touch command in detail. Well, if you are new to my channel, make sure you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Now let's see what is touch command. So touch command is very simple and we have used it couple of times. So let me tell you what is touch command. So basically touch command is a famous command that is used daily and basically it is used in Unix or Linux kind of operating system so that you can create or you can change and modify the timestamps. So that is what we will be doing in this video. So basically what you can do here is you can either create a single file or you can create multiple files here, and you can also change the timestamps of a file. Also I will show you how you can change the timestamp of a directory as well using touch command only. Okay, so let's get started. So let me show you the syntax how to create a file using touch command. So what you will do, you will just write touch and here you can write the options, and after this you can write the file or directory name. It's that simple. Okay, cool. So let's see some example. So if I ls, I have some couple of files over here. What we'll do is we will try to create a file. Let's say, let me write touch and let me write sample.txt. Hit enter. Okay, now if I ls, you can see here where is it? Yeah, so you can see here we have sample.txt. Okay, so using touch command you can create an empty file. So this file will be empty here. If I see what is the content of the sample.txt, it will be empty file. Okay, so number one thing you can do is you can use touch command to create a single empty file. Okay, so what if you want to create multiple files using touch command, what you can do, you can write touch and you can write file1, file2, file3. Hit enter. If you ls, you can see where is file1. Yeah, file1, file2, file3. Okay, so this is how you can create multiple files using touch command. And by the way, let me tell you something. In Linux you do not have to worry about the extensions. Okay, so it will take it by default as a text file for this one. So that's why I have not given any content over here. Okay, cool. Now let me show you how you can modify the access time of a particular file. See, if I do stat file1, so stat command is basically helpful in showing you the access time and the modification time, okay, of that particular file when you have accessed or you have modified it. Cool. So what we'll do here is you can see here the time that has taken is 12:55:25. Now what I will do is I will write touch, I will give an option, so basically -a. This will be helpful in order to modify the access time. Okay, so let's see what happens if I do file1 and if I hit enter, and if I do stat file1, hit enter. Now you can see here the access time has been changed. Okay, so 2 minutes have passed and after 2 minutes I had changed the access time here. Okay, and you can notice here if the access time is changed here, by default the time is also changed here. Okay, when it was changed. That's very simple. Now how you can change the modification time, this one, it's fairly simple. You will have to just write touch -m. This is the flag, or what you can say, the option that you can pass here, and you can write file1, hit enter. And after this, if you do stat command and write file1, hit enter, now here you can see the modification time has changed and this will be automatically shown as 12:57 and 49. So this is the way how you can modify the access time, and also you can change the modification time using touch command. Okay, so these are the things that you can change. So basically these were the files. Now let's see how we can change the access time and modification time of a particular directory. Let me clear the screen. Use Ctrl L. So this is the shortcut to clear the screen or the terminal screen. Now let me see what all do we have. So we have this test directory, and if I do stat and test, this will show me the accessed time and modification time of this particular directory as well. Okay, so as you can see here, it is 2022 3 and 20, and here you can notice the time when it was changed. So the same thing you can do here as we did it for the file 1. So what you can do here is you can write touch-a, and after this you can pass the directory name and hit enter. Now if you see the statistics of test, you can see here the access time will be changed, and it will show you today's date. Okay, so as you can see, it was accessed on 20 March 2022, so it is today's date. And notice the time, this is now changed. Previously it was this one, 12:49:53. Now it is changed to 12:59:9. You see this? Cool. So you can do it for modify as well, like this, touch-m test, and if you see stat of test, now you can see here it is now changed. You notice here, and of course here as well the time will be changed on. Cool. Let me clear the screen, hit Ctrl L. Okay, so that's it about touch command. So this is just a basic tutorial that I wanted to record. So by the way, if you want to learn more about touch command, I will highly recommend you to use man pages. Hit man and then touch. You have some options here, -a, -c. You can explore all these things, but generally you will hardly use anything like this. Okay, so if you come across any situation, then you can make use of man pages, okay, to learn more about touch command or any other command. Hit Q to exit. So that's about touch command. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, gained some knowledge, and if you think my videos are helpful, then please to hit that like button. This gives me motivation to create more videos. Share it with your friends so that others might get some benefit, and subscribe to my channel in case you are new, and hit that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. Okay, so that's all for this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye guys, take care.